penguin is right there.
My big happy feet.
Your big happy feet is right here. What else? What else?
No need Buster.
Oh, you don't need Buster?
Daddy.
Where's that? Do you know?
Yeah.
Where is he? You don't know where he is?
They're here.
He's in here where?
They're here.
Where? He's got old man wrinkly feet.
It's video.
A video?
Yes.
Daddy
That computer.
Daddy's on the computer?
Yes.
You think?
Yes.
I don't think Daddy's on the computer. Might want to look about it again. What if he's in your room?
Yes.
Where do you think he is?
In my room.
You think he's in your room?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Where do you think he is? Where? If he's in your room, where do you think he is? He's hiding somewhere? Try to find him. Where do you think he might be?
We moved it out here.
Well, where's Daddy at then? Where's Daddy?
Don't know.
You do know.
Dots.
In the garage? I don't think Daddy's in the garage. Think about it again. Where do you think Daddy is?
Here's Daddy. Daddy right here.
Did you find me?
Yes. Daddy in the closet.
He was in the closet?
Yes.
Yay! Come on.
I found them.
You found him? What are we going to put on? Look at these jammies. What is that? What is it?
I found Daddy
You did. Where was Daddy?
in the closet.
Come here, please. Gotta fix your diaper. Look, it's gonna come off right here. Your diaper's gonna come off there. Dad's got you on video.
I found Daddy in the closet.
Daddy was in the closet.
Yes.
What pajamas are we putting on?
Star Wars.
Remember who got these Star Wars jammies for you? Now stand up. Uncle Brian. Uncle Brian, and who else?
Uncle Barney and Aunt Jamie.
Come here. We gotta put lotion on your back because why? Okay, have an itchy back then.
And on it. A pillow's on it.
Come here.
It's that shirt.
Yeah. It's the shirt that goes with your jammies. You gonna jump in your shirt?
I did it.
You did do it. Oh.
You see for my number. My truck book.
We're gonna read the truck book.
My